Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.exchange. There is nothing to talk. Whatever I talked yesterday, today morning, same thing. Our market is just consolidating. And Nifty is trading with such a narrow range and 24,300 to 24,600. Within the small range of 300 point, how many days this market is going to trade? And global markets are all doing well. And yesterday and day before yesterday, 2 days put together, institutions have pumped in more than 10,000 crore. 2 days institutional inflow is 10,000 crore, but still the third day it's across the board selling. Nifty is down, next 50 is down, bank Nifty is down, mid cap is down, small cap down, auto index down, financial services index down, PSU bank index down, private sector bank index down, FMCG down, pharma down, oil and gas down. Everything is down. I really don't know why. And not only that, and I always say the market should not be predictable. And if it is predictable, people make money easily. So in fact, for the last 1 month, that's what we have been doing. We are simply making money. No trouble, nothing. And just let me tell you what happened day before yesterday, what happened yesterday. As soon as the market opened in the morning, market comes under selling pressure. And more than 100 point it falls within first 15-30 minutes. Then after that, until 12:30, market going nowhere. And then suddenly some buying comes in the afternoon and Nifty shoots up at least 100 point. And then after that, again market consolidates. Then again comes the 3:15 to 3:30 casino candle. Right? So nobody knows where the market is going. By 3:30, they just say some number and then, market closes. And this is what exactly happened day before yesterday. Exactly same thing happened yesterday. Exactly the same thing happened today. Finally, on close to close basis, Nifty did not move much. And I told you nowadays, take a short straddle in the morning. By the end of the day, you close it, you make good profit. But today there was no good profit, but still there was a profit. There was a decent profit. Those who are taking positional trade, and yesterday, 24,400, that's where the Nifty closed around. Those who have taken 24,400 straddle, today, the whole day, that never gone into MTM loss. I think end of the day about 30-35 rupees. I think around 2,500 to 3,000 rupees. Profit was there per lot. So how long market can continue like this? Consolidation, predictable, nowhere going, morning falling, afternoon rising, and I really don't know what's happening and what's going to happen. And today, I thought definitely there will be some kind of a short covering, not at least not a big thing, but at least Nifty will close positive. Many reasons. Number one, for the last few trading sessions, Nifty is down. On Friday, whoever taken short position, they will be in profit. And mostly people will not like to carry positions over the weekend, so they will start booking the profits in their short position. That is one logic. The second logic is that tomorrow is Independence Day. Remember, last Independence Day, Prime Minister announced that 28% GST category will be abolished and all of them will come to 18% GST category. That was a very, very major announcement. And that's why you see all the auto stocks shot up like anything. From last Independence Day to this Independence Day, auto index is up nearly 20%. But Nifty is still down. Such a major reform, 28% GST reduced to 18% GST, such a great announcement. But still, after 1 year, a Nifty has given 1% negative return. I think the day last August, Prime Minister announced Nifty was around 24,600 and now it is around 24,300. About 250-300 point lower, That's roughly about 1%. So great announcement. One whole year, the Nifty is closing 1% lower. So because of this, who knows? Tomorrow they may announce even a bigger reform. I'm just speculating. I don't know what they are going to do. But if at all they do something, then Monday there can be a significant gap up. So because of that, I thought people will cover their shorts. So because of short covering, Nifty may go at least positive territory. But what has happened? It went up 100 points, but that is nothing. That's what happened yesterday also, day before yesterday also. But at the end of the day, the Nifty closed negative. And this is the third straight day of negative closing. Global cues are good. There is no negative news in India. Domestic institutions are pumping in 10,000 crore in 2 trading sessions, and still every day we are falling. Of course, the fall was not big. Today morning I told you about the story of a man standing on a wooden plank in an ocean, right? So the point here is that markets are not falling big. It's falling 30 point, 40 point per day. But the fact is that the market is not rising. And it's too much of a consolidation. Even if you take, we can say, from April, May, June, July, August, so 5 months of consolidation. Or even you take a small range also, like 3 weeks, 4 weeks consolidation. So I do not know when it is going to break out. But looking at the open interest, 24,300 put option has been sold aggressively. 24,500 call also sold aggressively. Assuming that both are around 50 rupees. So that gives the range of 24,200 to 24,600 as a range for next 2 trading sessions. In the beginning of this week, I told you it's 24,200 to 24,800. But now that bullishness has gone, 3 consecutive trading sessions, market is falling. So this gives a range of about 24,200 to 24,600 for the next 2 trading sessions. And surprisingly, the 24,400 saddle, there's no surprise. The 24,400 saddle, I also took yesterday during the closing time. By today itself, I'm sitting with about 2,500 to 3,000 rupees profit per lot. And then I decided to carry forward because it's still around the same. Right? So who knows? Monday also, if market goes sideways like this, that'll give another 2,500 to 3,000 profit. Every day, people are getting 2,500 to 3,000 rupees profit if they take the short straddle, in the evening before the market close. So overall, nothing to say. Today, Bharti Airtel went up, but still, at some point of time, I've seen all the stocks which is under my watch list. I told you today morning, HDFC Bank, ICICI Bank, Axis Bank, Kotak Bank. So these 4 banks are under my watch list. Reliance under my watch list, and Infosys and TCS. So only this much. And all of them are down. And I don't know why Bank Nifty keeps on falling. Right? So Bank Nifty has hugely underperformed today. So anyway, so there's no point in looking at global cues. Yesterday, globally, it was all-time high, but we are doing very, very badly. So FII data has not come yet. So maybe let me check. No, it has not come yet. So let us see what's going to happen. So it's time to enjoy the weekend. So we'll see you on Monday. Usually I used to do some videos on Saturday, Sunday. But now because I'm too busy with some other work, so I'm not likely to come out with any video tomorrow. Maybe from next week onwards, I will plan 1 video on Saturday as well as 1 video on Sunday. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.